House collection is coming. This is a series of scene building toys of 8 sets together. It has collecting and assembling function and removable scene accessories. 8 different scenes can be built. Now you can start to build your own wonderful mini world. This is Nana. It is bustling in Nana's house today. This is Lily. She's cooking for all, while Shishi is helping her. Listen, Kaka dreams of becoming a musician. There is also a lovely candy house with rich and exquisite accessories which takes you to experience Nana's daily life. Use your imagination and join Nana's happy time together. More new products will come soon.